Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu meaning. Meaning, synonyms, antonyms, examples. January 11th, 2022. For more upcoming videos, subscribe now. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. 1. Gruesome, adjective.
भयानक, खौफनाक, डराना.
Causing repulsion or horror, grisly. Example, the most gruesome murder. Synonyms, grisly, ghastly, frightful, horrid, horrifying, fearful, hideous, macabre, spine-chilling. Antonyms, pleasant. 2. Heinous, adjective.
सफाकाना, वहशियाना.
Of a person or wrongful act, especially a crime, utterly odious or wicked. Example, a battery of heinous crimes. Synonyms, odious, wicked, evil, atrocious, monstrous, disgraceful, abominable, detestable, contemptible. Antonyms, admirable. 3. Ubiquitous, adjective.
हाजिर व नाजिर, एक वक्त पर हर जगह मौजूद.
Present, appearing, or found everywhere. Example, his ubiquitous influence was felt by all the family. Synonyms, omnipresent, ever-present, present everywhere, everywhere, all over the place, pervasive. Antonyms, rare, scarce. 4. Culpable, adjective.
काबिल मुआखजा, सजा का मस्तजब, काबिल गिरफ्त.
Deserving blame. Example, mercy killings are less culpable than ordinary murders. Synonyms, to blame, guilty, at fault, in the wrong, blameworthy, blamable, censurable, reproachable. Antonyms, blameless, innocent. 5. Furious, adjective.
गुस्से से भरा हुआ, गजबनाक.
Extremely angry. Example, he was furious when he learned about it. Synonyms, enraged, raging, infuriated, very angry, inflamed, incandescent, fuming, boiling. Antonyms, calm, placid. 6. Cruelty, noun.
जुल्म व सितम, बेरहमी.
Cruel behavior or attitudes. Example, he has treated her with extreme cruelty. Synonyms, brutality, savagery, savageness, inhumanity, barbarism, barbarousness, brutishness. Antonyms, compassion, mercy. 7. Thrive, verb.
फरोग पाना, फलना फूलना, पनपना.
Of a child, animal, or plant, grow or develop well or vigorously. Example, the new baby thrived. Synonyms, flourish, prosper, grow vigorously, develop well, burgeon, bloom, blossom, do well. Antonyms, decline, wither, fail. 8. Porous, adjective.
غير محفوظ, مسامدار.
Of a rock or other material, having minute interstices through which liquid or air may pass. Example, layers of porous limestones. Synonyms, permeable, penetrable, pervious, absorbent, sponge-like, spongy, sieve-like. Antonyms, impermeable. 9. Haste, noun.
जल्दबाजी, जल्दी, तेजी.
Excessive speed or urgency of movement or action, hurry. Example, working with feverish haste. Synonyms, speed, hastiness, hurry, hurriedness, swiftness, rapidity, rapidness, quickness. Antonyms, slowness, delay. 10. Urgency, noun.
फौरी ज़रूरत, सख्त अहमियत.
Importance requiring swift action. Example, the discovery of the ozone hole gave urgency to the issue of CFCs. Synonyms, importance, top priority, imperativeness, weight, weightiness, gravity, necessity, exigency. Antonyms, unimportance, refrain, decompression. 11. Ferocious, adjective.
समदिली, खतरनाक, वहशी.
Savagely fierce, cruel, or violent. Example, a ferocious beast. Synonyms, fierce, savage, wild, feral, untamed, predatory, rapacious, ravening, aggressive. Antonyms, tame, gentle. 12 fertile, adjective.
ज़रख़ेज़, उगाने के काबिल, सरसब्ज़.
Of soil or land, producing or capable of producing abundant vegetation or crops. Example, the fertile coastal plain. Synonyms, fecund, fruitful, productive, high-yielding, prolific, proliferating, propagative. Antonyms, infertile. 13 foresight, noun.
एहतियात, दूर अंदेशी.
The ability to predict what will happen or be needed in the future. Example, he had the foresight to check that his escape route was clear. Synonyms, forethought, anticipation, planning, forward planning, provision, prescience, circumspection. Antonyms, hindsight. 14 inauguration, noun.
इफ्तिताही, आगाज़.
The beginning or introduction of a system, policy, or period. Example, the inauguration of an independent prosecution service. Synonyms, initiation, institution, setting up, launch, establishment, foundation, founding, origination. Antonyms, demise, winding up, closure. 15 provoke, verb.
ललकारना, उकसाना, जाहिर करना, गुस्सा दिलाना.
Stimulate or give rise to, a reaction or emotion, typically a strong or unwelcome one, in someone. Example, the decision provoked a storm of protest from civil rights organizations. Synonyms, arouse, produce, evoke, cause, give rise to, occasion, call forth, draw forth. Antonyms, allay. 16 exaggeration, noun.
ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा, मुबालगा आराई.
A statement that represents something as better or worse than it really is. Example, it would be an exaggeration to say I had morning sickness, but I did feel queasy. Synonyms, overstatement, overemphasis, magnification, amplification, aggrandizement. Antonyms, truth, decrease, lessening, shrinkage. 17 instigate, verb.
आमादा करना, उकसाना.
Bring about or initiate, an action or event. Example, they instigated a reign of terror. Synonyms, set in motion, put in motion, get underway, get going, get off the ground, get in operation. Antonyms, halt. 18 insurrection, noun.
बगावत.
A violent uprising against an authority or government. Example, the insurrection was savagely put down. Synonyms, rebellion, revolt, uprising, mutiny, revolution, insurgents, insurgency, rising, rioting. Antonyms, counterinsurgency, counter-revolution. 19 wrath, noun.
शदीद गुस्सा, गैज़.
Extreme anger. Example, he hid his pipe for fear of incurring his father's wrath. Synonyms, anger, rage, fury, annoyance, indignation, outrage, pique, spleen. Antonyms, happiness, good humor. 20 unequivocally.
मुश्तबा, वाज़े न होना.
Not subject to misinterpretation or more than one interpretation. Synonyms, apparent, clear-cut, luminous. Antonyms, incomprehensible, unfathomable. 21 riot.
फसादात गुल गुपारा.
A violent disturbance of the peace by a crowd. Synonyms, rampage, anarchy. Antonyms, tranquility, order. 22 fallout.
नतीजा है.
To express diff opinions about sthfteb angrily. Synonyms, argue, picture, tiff. Antonyms, coexist, get, concur. 23 reactionary, adjective.
क़दामत पसंद, लकीर का फ़कीर, रजत पसंद.
Opposing political or social progress or reform. Example, reactionary attitudes toward women's rights. Synonyms, right-wing, conservative, rightist, ultra-conservative, ultra-right, alt-right, blimpish. Antonyms, radical, progressive. 24 abominable, adjective.
नागवार, बहुत बुरा, नाखुशगवार.
Causing moral revulsion. Example, the uprising was suppressed with abominable cruelty. Synonyms: loathsome, detestable, hateful, odious, obnoxious, despicable, contemptible, damnable. Antonyms: good, admirable. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.